Bingo jackpots can change from one game, operator, and draw to another, so there is no reliable fixed jackpot amount that can rank every bingo game for 2026 without checking current listings. For a useful comparison, look at the jackpot displayed for the specific game, how often it resets, the number of players sharing it, and the rules for winning. Number 5 is iBingo Beshidita. Its themed rooms and progressive-style rewards can make the jackpot structure different from traditional bingo. Check the current room information before assuming a displayed prize is cash or withdrawable. Number 4 is iBingo Blitz Dot. It combines bingo with additional game mechanics and rewards. Because the game uses virtual credits and other in-game items, check the current terms to determine what a particular prize actually represents. Number 3 is iBingo Popiote Dots. It offers multiplayer bingo gameplay with different rooms and reward structures. The prize available to you depends on the specific game mode, so check the room details before playing. Number 2 is a regulated real money bingo platform that publishes its current jackpot information clearly. The advantage is that you can review the prize structure, eligibility requirements, and winning conditions before entering a game. Number 1 is the bingo game, showing the largest YTA current jackpot that you are legally eligible to enter. A historical jackpot or an advertised maximum does not tell you what is available right now. There are 4 details to check before chasing a large jackpot. First, find out whether the jackpot is fixed or progressive. A progressive jackpot can increase as eligible games are played, while a fixed prize follows the game's stated rules. Second, check how the jackpot is won. Some jackpots require a specific pattern, a particular number of calls, or another qualifying condition. Third, check whether the advertised prize is split between multiple winners. A large headline number does not necessarily mean one player receives the entire amount. Fourth, check the eligibility rules and location restrictions. Real money bingo can have age, location, verification, and account requirements. Also separate virtual rewards from real cash. A mobile bingo game can display large in-game prizes without providing a direct cash withdrawal option. If your goal is the biggest possible payout, compare the current jackpot, entry requirements, winning conditions, and withdrawal rules together rather than looking at the jackpot number alone. The key points are simple. Jackpot amounts change, advertised prizes can have conditions, and virtual prizes are not automatically real cash. Your practical next step is to open the specific bingo game's current jackpot page and read the winning and payout rules before entering. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Bingo App Guides.